y'all a little rundown of what's going on. We're gonna put us a nice big old lift kit on this bitch right chair. No, a lot of steps left to go, but I'm getting it going. So, top. Man, I just need the fucking bottom to come out. This bottom was a fucking pain in the ass. Oh, fuck you, pause this video, dog.
Huh?
How the hell you stop recording?
Turn it off. Or you gotta hit the...
Step down on it for me. Any more? That is what is up, dog. One step closer. We're gonna get her. Gonna get her done.
All right, we got Woody. Where'd you leave off, guy?
Oh, no, I was high.
You was what?
I was high, so we'll see how we get this video.
All right. Well, you okay? Did you get out the wheels? Is that all you got? Well, here's it. Wheels with 36
from under is what it is.
Okay, got 36s on there now. Well, apparently the GoPro wants to go from 81% to 3%. Just
No. You gotta put this on first.
Well, fuck,
Yeah,
brother,
you know,
you're fucking up.
you know, I knew
Squatting
that.
down like a baseball player.
Oh God!
Get that shit out of my fucking face. Definitely gonna get copyrighted for this music.
No. There.
You got it?
Yep. Sir, how much pounds did you torque that to?
Don't do whatever the gun said. Gun, young Doug.
All right, the headers are almost done, guys.
Just got the oil pan on.
He's got the oil pan done up here.
Give me the drill.
Now he's gonna drill some new some setting holes for this.
Try 70.
Mechanic.
Even though we're picking up like right towards the end of this fucking...
We got the beginning before you started,
Yeah.
and then, well, Hunter said he got a vlog.
he was talking to the camera a lot.
Tight.